So in this video, I will show you how I debug Google Analytics. First option I like to use is actually inside of Google Tag Manager. So whenever we are adding new tags or triggers or variables, you have here a nice preview option. When you click it, Google Assistant will open your website and you will be able to see based on what you are doing on the page, how the tags are fired and what's happening in the background. So this is the website, and here I can see which tags are already fired. For example, GA4 measurement ID, 5 seconds page view. I already scrolled a little bit. There is also Facebook domain verification, and we are tracking Vimeo videos here. So now if I scroll a little bit down and click here on play and on pause, here I'm able to see that this Vimeo tracking was fired, and if I choose GA4 property, I can also see what was sent to the Google Analytics. So video start, for example. So if I would play this video, you will be able to see different events here in Tag Assistant. So like video progress, 60 seconds, session duration, and so on. So this is how I can check if everything is, so if all the events I would like to are actually sent to the Google Analytics 4. And then inside of Google Analytics 4, I also have an option to debug. So it's here under configure, debug view. And when this is open, so the same session, the same events I just showed you in Tag Manager, and then I can click on certain event, like video progress. You saw how I clicked on video several times, and I can see which parameters are sent. For example, video title, tag route marketing, home video, video provider, Vimeo. So it could also be here, could also be YouTube, and so on. Percentage of how so on at this chosen event, how long I was already, how the length of video I or user watched, on which page the video was, and so page location, and for example source medium, how I land on the page, and a bunch of other things. So that's another option to debug the video. And because I'm still watching the video here, so the events are still coming in. So this last one, for example, was 75% of video watched. And maybe the third place, which is not actually a debug, but it's still useful from time to time to use. So if you go here under the real-time report, you can see which events are at the moment, so that's me at the moment, sent to the page. It's not, so video start, for example, thank you page, and so on. So this is not really useful, but from time to time, if you are just doing some real life test, you can also observe your traffic here. Although the debug view is, as you saw, way more useful, way more data. So you can really see a lot from the debug view. So two basic options, one inside of Google Tag Manager and the other one debug view inside of Google Analytics. Thank you, see you, bye.